Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Assist. In this guide video, I'm going to show you how to delete your GroupMe account on your device. Now before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to log in into your device. Now first of all, tap on your GroupMe application. So once you open your GroupMe application, the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, right at the bottom in the lower right corner, there you can see your profile icon. Tap on it. So next on the other page, tap on Edit Profile. So on the other page you have the profile information, and under username, so right in the corner there you can see an edit icon. Tap on it. So next you will land inside the profile information, and on this following page slightly scroll down and there you have Delete GroupMe Account. Tap on it. Now as you tap on it, there is a statement, so make sure to go through it and then tap on Continue. So in order to verify your account, you'll have to enter the password that is associated with your GroupMe account. Now make sure to enter the correct password. Now once you're done entering your password, tap on Continue. So as you can see, the GroupMe account has been deleted and you'll even receive an update from email. Now once you delete your GroupMe account, you'll not be able to restore again. Now that is how you can delete your GroupMe account on your device. Now make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.